once I read a story told by De Mello about, this is about God who is searching a best place to hide himself from human beings. And there are many advisors, and one is saying, oh, there's another planet, and maybe on the top of the mountain, in the depth of the sea, and in various other very mysterious places. And one person is saying, hide yourself in the heart of the human being, and so nobody will search you there. And how true is this? Even if we as Christians maybe know about the doctrine of incarnation of God in Jesus Christ, and we know that God became human, and He is within us, but it is so difficult to realize it. And we discover in this very story that people who are saying, I haven't seen you, I haven't seen you, hunger, I haven't seen you in problems, and so on. But we know and we observe so many people are hunger, so many people require our help, so many people are needy. And what? We are searching for Him in other places, not in human being. And I think that this is also the story about focusing on other people who are around us without other scopes. Because if we are searching in hoping that we will find God, this is not what He wants. He wants that we help other people, to focus on that. And He, I think, is promising us, I will be there. You don't need to search me on purpose. This is like something like paradigm. This is something which you don't find to response. This is so. He is hidden in human. He is a part of human. This is so true and so difficult to accept. Thank you.